All right, boys, it's Labor Day, and we're doing a Labor Day.
Not Labor Day, it's Memorial Day.
Memorial Day, we're doing a video for Memorial Day. Yeah, hopefully nobody catches on that I'm just standing here with a camera. Yeah, I know, I need to get a chest mount thing. I was gonna get a chest mount for the camera. All right. Yeah, there's something about a inline six that just sounds so good. To give you guys a reference of where we're at, I don't know where we're at. We're just on the side of the road trying to get a broken building. There's a hole in the wall. Chill, where did he go?
I'll be at the same spot you are. No, I'm gonna sit right here. You can give it a little gas here. That sounds insane.
Dude, I almost
It sound like a. I told you. Jesus. 10 roll, you spun like a muscle. I can see how much power's in the front wheels and the back just moves slowly with it. I'd back up a little though, so you like. Nah, you're good. All right, you're good.
That it's right around like 3 or 2.
With my foot on the brake.
Yeah, just keep going. Try to push it more. Push the brake in more. Push it all the way to the ground, and then do it.
Want to hear it?
I never knew
Am I
it.
supposed to be in sport mode?
Look. Oh,
Like
do you have it?
floor.
Yeah, push it over. You don't have it in like. Push that over. Let it. The gas just sit there at 3. Use either paddles or that. I forget what you did before.
60, something like that, but I'm gonna downshift, like not super fast, but fast, so you can hear it. Okay, is that good?
Yeah, just make sure when
I'll
just be careful with like, you got traction control on, you'll be fine. This is the first time I get to hear my car from the outside, someone else driving it. Yep, I hear the freaking bird whistle. All right, boys, one last thing before we get back. We're gonna go on the highway. Got rollers of my car, so I need to get rollers with Brendan, and I'm gonna have all this footage for TikTok and YouTube and shorts, so we're just getting it all done today. say that, I gotta get a hanger for my exhaust, just like one that you install yourself and don't weld on, because my shit is sagging. With all the footage combined, has got to be probably the most jam-packed video fest of my car yet. So hopefully you guys are hype, and hopefully this is enough to keep you guys around. I don't know if I can do this every single day, but this was a sick day to hang out with my cousin and do cool car stuff for sure. All right, it's 8:36. We're getting home just now. That was a pretty freaking fun day. It was like the best car day I've had in a while. Thank you, special thank you to Brendan for coming out and getting me to do it. It's actually hype. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe. Hopefully, if I can keep doing this, maybe I can get enough shares and stuff to grow my channel, because this was like a lot today. But if I can get the views, then I'm down to do this every single day if I have to. Also, check out my cousin's account and check out his TikTok as well. Love you guys. Make sure you have a show. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always,